Traveling is one of the most enriching experiences that individuals can have. It allows us to explore new cultures, landscape, and people. While talking about our travel experiences, we often use the present perfect continuous tense to describe ongoing actions or experiences that started in the past and continue into the present. This tense is particularly useful when recounting our adventures and sharing stories with others. For example, imagine you are sharing your recent travel experience with a friend. You might say, "I've been traveling through Europe for the past 3 weeks." This sentence indicates that the action of traveling started in the past, 3 weeks ago, and is still ongoing. Your friend might respond with, "Wow, that sounds amazing. What have you been doing there?" You could reply with, "I've been exploring historic cities, trying new foods, and meeting interesting people." In this sentence, you use the present perfect continuous tense to describe various activities that have been happening throughout your trip. These ongoing actions contribute to the richness of your travel experience. Another example could be, "I've been hiking in the mountains for the past few days." This sentence implies that the action of hiking started a few days ago and is still continuing. You could continue by saying, "The views have been breathtaking, and I've been taking lots of photos." Here, you use the present perfect continuous tense to convey your ongoing experience of hiking and capturing beautiful moments. In travel conversations, the present perfect continuous tense is also useful for discussing changes or developments that have occurred during the journey. For instance, you might say, "The weather has been getting colder as I've been heading north." This sentence indicates a gradual change in weather that has been happening while you have been traveling. By using the present perfect continuous tense in travel conversations, you can vividly portray your ongoing experiences, activities, and observations. This tense helps to bring your travel stories to life and engage your listeners in your adventures. So, next time you share your travel tales, remember to include plenty of present perfect continuous tense to recall your continuous journeys.